Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into a game changer in the world of skincare, especially designed for our Asian skin beauties out there. Get ready to say goodbye to those pesky dark spots with Brickell Men's Restoring Under Eye Cream. This is not just your ordinary under eye cream, folks. It's a powerhouse packed with natural and organic ingredients, meticulously crafted to deliver exceptional results. And guess what? It's the best dark spot remover for Asian skin that you can get your hands on. Now, let's talk results. Say hello to brighter, more energized eyes. Whether you're battling wrinkles, puffiness, dark circles, or crow's feet, this under eye cream has got you covered. Just take a look at these impressive before and after images. The transformation speaks for itself. What sets this eye cream apart from the rest? It's all about the ingredients, my friends. Vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, peptides, glycolic acid. These powerful components work in harmony to smooth away wrinkles, reduce puffiness, and fade those stubborn dark spots. Plus, it's 97.5% natural and 70% organic, so you can feel good about what you're putting on your skin. With results like these, it's no wonder why Brickell Men's Restoring Under Eye Cream has garnered rave reviews from users worldwide. So, if you're ready to bid farewell to dark spots and hello to rejuvenated eyes, grab your own bottle of Brickell Men's Restoring Under Eye Cream today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews here on Product Critique. Until next time, stay fabulous.